Flat Earth. How was the myth debunked? For centuries, the idea of a flat Earth captured the imagination of ancient civilizations. But how did this concept evolve, and what ultimately led to its rejection? Today, we're diving deep into the story of the flat Earth myth, how it began, why it persisted, and the undeniable evidence that put it to rest. The origins of the flat Earth idea. Let's start at the beginning. Ancient cultures worldwide initially believed the Earth was flat. This wasn't due to ignorance, but rather because their everyday observation supported this belief. The ground appears flat when you look around, and the horizon seems to stretch endlessly in a straight line. The Mesopotamians, Egyptians, and early Greeks all envisioned the Earth as a flat disk surrounded by water or covered by a dome-like sky. These ideas were often tied to their religious or mythological beliefs. For example, the ancient Norse thought the Earth was a flat plain encircled by a vast ocean, while the Hindu cosmology described the world resting on the backs of elephants standing on a giant turtle. Early challenges to the flat Earth concept. However, not everyone accepted the flat Earth idea. By the 6th century BCE, Greek philosophers began questioning this model. Pythagoras, a mathematician and philosopher, is often credited as one of the first to propose a spherical Earth. He observed that the moon and sun were round and reasoned that Earth might be similar. Later, Aristotle provided stronger evidence for a spherical Earth around 350 BCE. Hinted that during lunar eclipses, the Earth's shadow on the moon was always round, which could only happen if Earth was spherical. Additionally, travelers reported seeing different constellations as they moved farther north or south, suggesting the Earth's curved surface. Eratosthenes, another Greek thinker, went even further. Around 240 BCE, he accurately calculated the Earth's circumference using simple geometry and observations of shadows cast at different locations. His experiment was an early triumph of scientific reasoning and provided compelling proof of a round Earth. The role of religion and misconceptions. Despite this growing body of evidence, the flat Earth idea persisted in some societies. One reason was the integration of cosmology with religious teachings. In medieval Europe, some interpretations of Christian texts were thought to support a flat Earth. However, the notion that the medieval church universally believed in a flat Earth is a misconception. By the Middle Ages, most educated Europeans accepted the spherical Earth model, thanks to the preserved writings of Greek and Roman scholars. Even influential figures like Thomas Aquinas incorporated the spherical Earth into their theological frameworks. The Age of Exploration, putting the myth to rest. The Age of Exploration in the 15th and 16th centuries dealt a final blow to the flat Earth myth. Explorers like Ferdinand Magellan and Christopher Columbus demonstrated that long-distance sea voyages could circle the globe. These journeys provided practical, observable evidence that the Earth was round. Sailors also noticed that ships disappeared hull first over the horizon and that the mast was the last part visible. This phenomenon made sense only if the Earth's surface was curved. One of the most dramatic confirmations came with Magellan's expedition, which successfully circumnavigated the globe in 1522. This journey showed definitively that Earth had no edges or boundaries. It was a sphere. Modern flat Earth beliefs. Why do they persist? You might wonder, if the evidence is so clear, why does the flat Earth theory still exist today? Surprisingly, a small but vocal community of modern flat earthers continues to challenge the overwhelming scientific consensus. The rise of the internet and social media has allowed conspiracy theories, including flat Earth beliefs, to spread rapidly. These groups often mistrust authority and mainstream science, promoting their ideas through videos, forums, and memes. Flat Earthers argue that space agencies and governments are part of a massive cover-up. They claim the Earth is a flat plain surrounded by an ice wall represented by Antarctica, and that evidence like satellite images and photos from space are fabricated. Debunking modern flat Earth claims. Fortunately, the claims of modern flat earthers are easy to refute with science. The horizon. If the Earth were flat, the horizon would remain consistent regardless of altitude. However, as you ascend, the horizon visibly curves, as seen from airplanes or high-altitude balloons. Gravity. On a flat Earth, gravity would behave inconsistently, pulling objects toward the center of the disk. Yet, we observe gravity acting uniformly, as expected on a spherical planet. Time zones. The existence of time zones is explained by the Earth's rotation on its axis that if the Earth were flat, we wouldn't experience different times of day across the globe. Satellite technology. Modern communication, GPS systems, and weather forecasting all rely on satellites orbiting a spherical Earth. The technology we use daily is impossible on a flat planet. The importance of critical thinking. The flat Earth myth serves as a reminder of the importance of evidence-based reasoning and critical thinking. While it's easy to dismiss such beliefs as harmless, they reflect a broader issue: the spread of misinformation and the erosion of trust in scientific expertise. Education and open dialogue are essential to combating pseudoscience. By encouraging curiosity and critical thinking, we can help people distinguish between credible evidence and unfounded claims. Conclusion. The journey to debunk the flat Earth myth spans centuries of observation, exploration, and scientific discovery. From Aristotle's lunar eclipse observations to Magellan circumnavigation, humanity has built an overwhelming case for a spherical Earth. As we look to the future, let's remember the value of curiosity and the power of evidence in shaping our understanding of the world. After all, science isn't just about knowing. It's about questioning, exploring, and discovering the truth. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the flat Earth myth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.